Today I'm going to be unboxing the RTX 3050. Before we begin, I want to tell you guys about the main problem I have with this graphics card. This one in particular, the EVGA one, which I guess they don't make graphics cards anymore, which, okay, great. The main problem is the fan of the graphics card. It's like a really annoying noise, and it like happens when it's not even, like I'm just laying in bed and it's still on. It's just like, rah, rah, rah. I thought it was the hard drive. I thought it was that. I thought it was dying, so I got an SSD for games, which is awesome, but also it wasn't the hard drive. Anyway, here's the unboxing video. That's it for the unboxing video. Now check out this comparison. This comparison of starting up now, testing out Froza Horizon 5 on the RTX 3050 using the GeForce Experience overlay thing, and it's running pretty well. This is the settings I use pretty much all the time. As you can see, my settings right here. I wanted to test out GTX 1650 Super. Yeah, about that. Using the same settings as the 3050, I got so low FPS just because it was using so much video memory. It was using a lot. It was like maxing it out pretty much. And I wanted to record it, of course, to show you guys. But the problem is that I couldn't get it to record on the 3050, which I was gonna do so that way it's like even. And I swapped the ports around so that way it's actually using it on the main display. I tried to use it, it didn't work, and it only recorded on the 1650 Super, which is good most of the time because that's what I use it for, but it didn't switch over, so I don't know what that's about. And now on to another game, which you don't really see in a lot of comparisons, which is Poppy Playtime Chapter 2. I maxed out the settings, as you can see here on 1440p, and as you can see, we're doing pretty good. 60 FPS most of the time, and some drops here and there, but it's fine, and you know, it's pretty good. So I switch over to the 1650 Super, and it's like 40 FPS with a lot of drops, and it's not as good. It's not nearly as good. It was a slight difference, but it's like enough for me because I only really need 60 FPS. So anyway, subscribe, like this video, and check out this video. It is the Steam Deck unboxing. And also check out this video. This is a random video, so if you've checked out one and you hadn't checked out the other, check out this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.